In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Webull Brokerage to Tradingview for seamless orders right on your Tradingview charts. By the end, you'll be placing orders directly from your chart without switching tabs. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Tradingview and that your Webull account is active and approved for trading. First, head to your Tradingview dashboard and open the chart you plan to trade from. Any symbol works here, and you can use your preferred layout and indicators. What matters is that you're on a live chart so the trading tools can attach properly. Next, look along the bottom of the chart for the trading panel. Click it to reveal all the available broker connections. This panel is where TradingView integrates order routing, account data, and execution. So it's the hub for connecting your broker. Inside the trading panel, use the search field to quickly find your broker. As you type, TradingView will highlight matching options. Start typing Webull so it stands out in the list, then select it. If you don't see it, double check you're on the latest version of TradingView and that your region and account type support this integration. With Webull selected, click Connect. TradingView will open a secure authorization window. Log into your Webull account to continue. Depending on your security settings, you may be prompted for two-factor authentication. Complete any verification and review the permissions carefully. TradingView needs access to place and manage orders through your account. Confirm to finish the link. Once connected, you should see a status indicator showing you're linked, and the order panel for Webull will appear in the trading panel. From here, you can place market, limit, or stop orders directly on the chart, using TradingView's order tickets and drag to adjust levels. If you're testing, consider switching to a paper or simulated environment first, if available, so you can get comfortable with order placement and chart-based modifications. A few quick tips to keep things smooth: make sure your TradingView symbol matches what Webull supports. Some tickers, extended hours sessions, or certain asset classes may have restrictions. If you encounter an error, try refreshing the chart after connecting, or briefly disconnect and reconnect from the trading panel. Also verify your time in force, order size, and account type before submitting, and always confirm the order preview to avoid mistakes. That's it. You're connected, and you can now execute and manage trades directly from your TradingView charts using your Webull account. Happy trading, and I'll see you